Welcome to the first of a series of training videos that will show you how to generate leads so that you can start making that first sale. We're going to go through the process of creating a valuable offer to pull in your most ideal customer, basically like a magnet. That's why it's also called a lead magnet. We're also going to go through the process of hosting this lead magnet on an incredible all-in-one marketing software that I've discovered called groove.cm. We're also going to build a simple lead magnet funnel using groove.cm. A little bit more about myself. I come from Cape Town, South Africa. My name is Madelein Vermeulen. I love technology and I do appreciate the way that it can automate processes. For example, the online marketing and sales process, such as with groove.cm. So we're going to delve into that as well as we are going through this process of creating a lead magnet and hosting it on Groove. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to share my screen with you and we are going to have a look at how to create your free groove.cm account. For this lead magnet challenge, or actually this lead magnet training series, to be successful, it's important that you follow along as well as implement the steps. So let's go ahead and we can type in groove.onlinelaunchhub.com. The link to this will be right below this video. This will then bring you to groove.cm's landing page. As you can see, we are here on groove.cm YCM because customers matter. On the landing page, so we're going to go ahead and create a free account. But before we do that, let's just take a quick look at what this platform can offer you, the software. So basically there's about 17 apps. You can go to Groove Funnels. That will replace ClickFunnels. Groove Pages, which replaces Wix or Squarespace. Groove Mail, that replaces ActiveCampaign. Groove Sell replaces Samcart or Infusionsoft. Groove Affiliate, that replaces ClickBank, Tap Affiliate. Groove Member replaces Kajabi or Thinkific. Groove Card, Shopify, and so you can go on and have a look at all these different products in the suite of Groove. You can have this all for free, by the way. There is, of course, some limitations. I would actually encourage you, if you can, to upgrade to the lifetime platinum offer. So if you at all can, I would really encourage you to upgrade to the lifetime offer while it is still available. But if you cannot, you can use the free groove.cm account and you can start, building your online business. Alright, so let's head over to our free account. We can fill in this form to create our free account. So here you can enter your first name, your last name, your email, and please use an email address that you regularly use. That's your best email. As I will also be sending you some emails to help you in this online marketing journey, as well as how to use this platform effectively, some tips and useful information. Here you can create a username for yourself. You can also enter a password and confirm this entered password. Then you can click on this button to confirm this process. I'm just going to head over to groove.onlinelaunchshop.com, as I have already got an account. You will receive, as soon as you've created your account, you will receive an email from Groove with your login details. You will then come back to this landing page, groove.cm, and we are going to log in here, member login, with your details. I have my details entered already, so I'm just going to log in. It will take us to the dashboard, as you can see here, and you can see the different products that's available. Groove pages, Groove funnels. This is the one we're actually going to use to create a simple lead magnet funnel. Yes, Groove Sell for your products, and Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, Blog, Groove Card. Yes, also where you can ask support any questions if you have any technical difficulties. That's also, just to stop here, that's also one thing I appreciate of Groove. They've got a fantastic community. When you get your login, when you've basically created your free account, you will be invited to their community as well, where you can find useful information, regular updates. I love David Lemon's question and answer sessions. Please have a look out for those as well, because it's really helpful. If you struggle with the platform or any app and you don't know how to do anything, you can just post a question and on the Facebook community, and David Lemon will answer those in his question and answer sessions. It's called Lemonade. So back to where we're currently busy. So like I said, we're going to use the Groove Pages app, Groove Funnels, and we are going to create a new site over here. And then as we are going to make it easier, we're just going to go to Funnels and create a lead magnet funnel. Yes, a nice template for it already. Unfortunately, the free account doesn't have this template available, but don't despair. If you've signed up with the referral link that we've just gone through, with the referrer as me, Madelein Vermeulen, I will also give you a free lead magnet funnel template, the one that we've created during this training series. All right, so we're going to select this one. We're going to create a name. Whatever your lead magnet is, you will call it that name. For now, I'm just going to call it lead magnet funnel, keeping it simple. And for the training series, and we're going to start building. So it's going to open up. You will see on the left hand side there's different you can go to different icons. You can go to this one, the funnels icon. There you go, and you will see this home and thank you. We're going to start with the home, the landing page. I'm just going to make this bigger by just going out here. Right, so you see this is our template that we're going to use for this training series. And in the next video, we're going to go through where you can have a look at to create your lead magnet fairly quickly. If you don't have a lot of time or you don't have a lot of money to hire a freelancer or to create your own content, we're going to make use of PLR. That stands for private label rights. And we're going to look at the site or different sites where you can actually find these PLR products that you can use for lead magnet. We're going to go into more detail in the next training video. Looking forward to see you in the next one. We're going to try and keep it on a Sunday at 4 p.m. so that you know when to have a look for this video, but it will be available throughout the time of this video training series for free. It will only be available for a limited time, so yeah, I would encourage you to make use of this opportunity to sign up for your free account. Like I said, it's below this video, and you go to groove.onlinelaunchhub.com, sign up for your free account, go through, just play around on the system and see what it offers, what you can do with it. Also keep in mind that it is still in beta, in testing mode. You can have a look, play around and see what's coming up. And yeah, once again, a free account is all you need to get started. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.